Hi everyone, I'm John from Wiley Visuals, and in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I think the reason this question comes up quite regularly is that the process of cropping a video is quite different to cropping a photograph, both technically and conceptually. When you crop an image in Photoshop or any other image editing app, your chosen composition will determine the size and shape of the final image and the end product, whether that be digital or in print. With video, it's the other way around. Because video usually adheres to a small number of display formats, you have to figure out how to crop and place your composition within a predefined canvas. Once you understand this concept, the actual process is quite simple. In Adobe Premiere Pro, the easiest way to crop your video is using the motion tools under the Effect Controls panel. You can find this panel under the window menu. In the motion controls, you simply need to adjust the scale and position parameters until you find the composition that you want. It's important to make sure that you're working with the right canvas first though. Say for example, you'd like to create a 1:1 aspect ratio square video for social media use, you need to make sure that your sequence settings are set up correctly. You can find the sequence settings under the sequence menu. And once you open them, you can adjust your dimensions to whatever you need for your final output destination. You can change your sequence settings at any time, but it's best to do this right at the start before you do any editing. Inside Premiere Pro, there's also an effect filter called Crop, and this can be a source of confusion for many people. As the name suggests, this filter lets you crop the video within your canvas, but it won't make your video fill that canvas up. You'll end up with blank space around your video in the export, which will either appear as solid black or will reveal whatever was on the video tracks underneath. So even though the crop effect might sound like what you're looking for, it's not going to have the same effect as the crop tool in Photoshop. The crop effect is probably best used when layering or compositing several videos together, or when creating motion graphics. Some examples of how you could use the crop tool include doing a split screen comparison, or doing a logo reveal using keyframes. The last way that you can crop your video is by adjusting the settings of your final export. You can change the export settings to be different from your sequence, and once you do, you can choose how you want your sequence to fit that new size. This is great for fast, easy adjustments, for example cutting black bars off a video that was previously exported incorrectly, but you'll lose any precise ability to adjust things. So this method is best used as the final step in the process. Once you figure out the concept of filling up the canvas and creating a canvas with the correct dimensions in the first place, the process of cropping in Premiere Pro becomes a piece of cake. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and hit that like button if you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos in the future. Oh, hey, you're still here. Hey, since you're here, check out this one, or this one, or subscribe.